guys, welcome to the Bearded Chokra, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I do a lot of hair, beard and skin related videos, and for the first time on this channel I'm going to be showing you how to make a hairstyle, a volumized quiff without the use of any blow dryer, any heat of any sort. So all you're going to need for this hairstyle are 4 things. One is your fingers, second is your paddle brush, third is your hairstyling product of your choice, and the fourth is hair of a particular length. So first of all, before starting this video, thanks a lot for all your support that I got on my last video. I know I got a lot of hate. I got over 120 dislikes for that video. One more thing, I asked you guys if you want videos in Hindi or English, but I got really mixed replies. Some of you are saying that your English videos are better, and some of you are saying that Hindi, because you guys are not being able to understand the basic fundamentals or concepts of the video in English. So what I've decided is that I'll keep the video in English, and all the main points I'll be repeating the same thing in Hindi as well. Okay, so starting this video, first things first, what I have right now is an undercut. I know the hair has grown out a bit, but what I had essentially was an undercut. Shorter sides, shorter back. Now the length that you should be looking for when you want to style your hair without any heat or without a blow dryer is in the range of 4 to 5 inches. One more thing that you have to note is that the length of your hair should be slightly longer in the front as compared to the length of hair on the top and on the back. एक तो आपकी बाल की लेंथ होनी चाहिए 4 से 5 इंच के बीच में, और दूसरी आगे के बाल थोड़े से ज़्यादा लंबे होने चाहिए पीछे के बाल के मुकाबले. So all you have to do is when you take bath, wet your hair, and then when the hair is relatively damp or a bit wet, comb it to the opposite side you want your final hairstyle to be. So my final hairstyle, I want it to be on the right hand side. I want a lot of volume in my hair on the right hand side. So what I've done is when my hair is wet, I've combed it to the opposite side, that is to the left hand side. तो आपको एक चीज़ ध्यान में रखनी है, अगर आपको आपके बाल ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम में राइट हैंड साइड पे चाहिए तो आपको नहाने के बाद जब आपके बाल गीले हों तब आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे कोम करके रखना है. Just pull your hair back to the side that you want a lot of volume in. So let me show you how. So first what you want to do is use your fingers only. Get all the hair to the side where you want a lot of volume. Okay? So this looks okay for now, but what you'll notice is that the hair has just changed its orientation. So it might fall back. So the next thing that you have to do is use a paddle brush and get your hair into place. So now as you can see, I've got insane volume in my hair right now, and no heat, nothing was used. Only the simple technique and the correct length of hair is all you need. तो आपको क्या करना है, आपके बालों को जिस डायरेक्शन में आपको चाहिए कि ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम हो उस डायरेक्शन में पहले अपने हाथों से बालों को लेके जाइए, और उसके बाद एक पैडल ब्रश यूज़ करके अपने बालों को उस डायरेक्शन में कोम कर दीजिए. Now as you can see, some of the hair is not obeying this because your hair is dry. When your hair is dry, it does not obey what you want it to do. So it will try and come back to this side because it was combed that side first. So what you need now is a hairstyling product. If you're wondering which product this is, don't worry, I have a review coming up real soon. तो आपको क्या करना है, थोड़ा सा आपको प्रोडक्ट लेना है और आपको अपने हाथ में डाल के थोड़ा सा हीट अप करके अपने बालों में लगा देना है. तो आप कितना प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करते हैं वो आपके बालों के टेक्सचर या थिकनेस के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, बट मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा काफ़ी है क्योंकि मेरे बाल थिन है. सो आप अभी देख सकते हैं कि बाल अभी सेट हो चुके हैं. आखिर में मुझे क्या करना है, सिर्फ कोम लेके उसे अपनी जगह पर फिक्स कर देना है. सो दिस इज ऑल इट टेक्स, द करेक्ट लेंथ ऑफ हेयर and a paddle brush with a good hair product is all it takes to get this insane volume. Now there are two benefits of using this technique. One is that you're not using heat. So if you're not using heat, you're not using a heat protectant. So you're saving a lot of money and causing a lot less damage to your hair. Secondly, following this technique, your hair is going to now stay in this orientation till you wash your hair again. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button down below. Please share this video because I think a lot of guys will benefit from this video. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and also press that bell icon so that you never miss a video from the bearded Chokra. So until we meet next time with another great episode, be awesome, keep your beard awesome, and I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.